Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode with OuterBanks fishing channel. Abdullah Kaplan here. Today I took my inflatable boat out there to Soundside and I caught pretty much really nice fish. So I had a lot of fun and hopefully you guys will enjoy this video as well. And please, if you didn't subscribe yet, just give that thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for
So here's guys how I rig up my shrimp. I just cut the tail and just right on the top and through the tail, and I'm just trying to make sure that I have my hook exposed. So this is how I rig up my shrimp. I just cast it out there and hopefully we'll get something now this time. Let's go for it. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's a really nice one, guys. That's a really nice drop. Oh, hell yeah. Hope you guys see it. Oh, yeah, man. Whew. That's a real one, guys. Whew. All right. Oh. We got what we came here for. Nice. That's a real one, guys. There it is. There it is, guys. That's really weird hook though. It's hooked like underneath the chin. Look at that fish. There you are. Alright, there you go, guys. That's a rat. That's a puppy drop. How beautiful is that fish? I don't know if you guys can see it or not. My hands are all there it is, guys. Look at the beautiful red. I'm just gonna let it go. Alright. Thanks for the bite. Ooh. Quick release. Oh, hell yeah. That's a really nice one, guys. Oh, God, sorry. Sorry, in my other line. That's a good one, guys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's a good one, guys. That's another good one. Oh no, he swallowed it and he just like... Oh, hell yeah. That's a real one, guys. Alrighty, guys, that's the second drum of the day. Really nice tiny little drum. I'm pretty sure that's a keeper. We might just take it home. just take this one home. All right, guys. Great.
We just got another one.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, nice. Oh yeah. I don't know what this is. That's, but I think that's another red drum. That's another drum, and it doesn't know that it's been hooked yet. Let's see if we are gonna get any fight out of that guy. That's a good one. Whew. That's a good one, guys. Woohoo! You see the head shakes, guys? Where's that drum? Oh yeah, yeah, baby, that's a drum. Was almost, camera was off, guys, so I couldn't just like, you know, start the video right away. I was about to actually take my whole rod to the water. What is that? Might be trout? Is that trout? Dude, is that trout? It's so good if it's a trout. Nah, that's another drum. Nope, that's another red. Whew. Yeah. Yeah, man, look at that. Ooh, that's another guess size one. Look at this, guys. And it's a great hook setup as well. Loved it. I loved it. I loved it, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That's another one. That's another beautiful red. All right. Thanks for the bite. Is that pigfish? I guess this is what it is, guys. I guess that's a pigfish, I guess. Yeah. I guess how did you even swallow that huge hook? Man, look at that. Look at that. It's croaking. What is this, guys? What do you think? What do you think that is? I believe that's a pigfish. Yeah, that might be pigfish. Comment below, guys. What do you think? What do you think that fish is? What kind of fish is it?